All right. Valor number 7. Let's keep this hot streak going tonight. Yeah, I'm wondering if that's one they just didn't put in there because of the value or something. I don't think they really do. Maybe. I don't know. Valor number 7. Good luck. Johnson, speed. And Eric Kendricks, rookie auto, 483 of 800 for the Vikings. Eric, H-I-L. Williams, Glory, 72 of 99 for the Bills. Reggie, G-I-E. Funchess, speed. Kuechly, Gridiron Warriors. Johnson, speed. Miller, Courage, 223 of 299 for the Broncos. Reggie, G-I-E. Perryman, speed. Olsen, speed. Roethlisberger, speed. And Duke Johnson, rookie patch, 48 of 99. The speed parallel. Going to the Browns, Ronald, K-I-N. Charles, Gridiron Warriors. Cobb, speed. Olsen, Battle Cry. Cooper, speed. Manning, Warriors. Artis Payne, speed. E, how you sitting on DraftKings still? Strong, speed. Clark, speed. Horning, strength. Abdullah, speed. Graham, speed. Gotta be hard not to check when you're in first. Gordon, speed. And Mike Davis. Rookie auto patch. 19 of 50. Good courage parallel for the Niners. Stevie, RUA. Nice hit. You can go Stevie. Been cleaning up lately. Are you? Still in first. Nice. Allen, speed. And we got a Gurley jumbo. 202 of 300 for the Rams. Jeremy, MCN. Been hitting all kinds of his stuff. Dupree, strength. Parker, speed. So I'm back in third, huh? Tannehill, Warriors. Johnson, speed. Bell, discipline. 115 of 199 for the Lions. Eric, PIN. Gronk, speed. Lacey, Gridiron Warriors. Ajayi, speed. Yeah, you'll have to get us pictures when that one comes in, Frank. I really do hope it is the 101, though, and we're not just getting all your hopes up. Revis, Battle Cry. And Kelsey, speed. Couple base. That'll do it for Valor number 7. That dude not getting me any points really screwed me. Yeah. The one night you didn't play, Eric, so we didn't, I think, what was that, Wednesday? I scored 280 points again. So it's you guys. You guys are bad luck for me. Whatever night that was that we didn't play. Eight teams left in Immaculate. Everything else has broke. Yeah, I did.